do, but Jesus Jones, look at all the room size there, and he says it was a king size. Looks like a double to me, but maybe I'm wrong. Pretty decent view, to be honest. So this is Broad Street. There's flares. Well, Pop World now.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing our budget hotel tour, today with the Travelodge in Birmingham Broad Street. Now I've chosen this Travelodge to review because we're essentially in the middle of the city here and we're surrounded by a lot of the big players. We've got the Hyatt down the road, the Novotel literally opposite, and the Hampton by Hilton just 3 doors away, so we're playing with the big boys here. It is a budget hotel, obviously a Travelodge. It's actually only $32.99 to stay tonight, and all the other hotels are between £80 and £150 a night, so real bargain. I paid an extra £5 to go for one of their super rooms, which gives you a extra comfy bed, a different coffee machine, fancy one, and a new type of shower, and apparently you get to go on the top floor, which is their quietest room. The price looks very good. The building looks dreadful. Let's hope it's better on the inside. So let's go in and check it out. Let's go and check in. Eighth floor, 802. So let's go see what the super suites are all about. Some marks there on the lift. They're not good, are they? Ooh, business floor. What are we on? 802. This way. Please keep it down if you're up late. Ooh, so dark. Oh, there we go. Here we go, 802. Let's check out the super room. Right, let's go see what the super room is all about. So, if I'm honest, the first impressions is where is everything? I just have this vast amount of space to have a dance or to, I don't know what to do, but Jesus Jones, look at all the room. So, this is a super room. So, the bed looks good, I'll give you that. Good Travelodge branding, the red, white and the blue. They've kind of gone with a grey theme now. But the bed looks good. It doesn't look like a king size though, and it says it was a king size. It looks like a double to me, but maybe I'm wrong. Lights either side, that seems pretty standard, but there's no USBs or plug sockets of any kind. So there's no charging of the phone. And then again, in this vast space, there's kind of a wardrobe that's kind of just some shelves, some extra towels or extra towel. Some pillows in case the two on the bed aren't enough, and there's a hanging space, but it's all open. Something heavy's been on there. Look how bent that is. Bent down. Quiet coat hangers. Tiny little TV. Can I even see that from the bed? Maybe. Tiny little TV. So these look like they're the only plug sockets, which are all over here. So if you want your phone next to you by your bed, you can't. They're over here. That one's on for no reason. Should we ever go on the TV? Samsung. It's a good brand, but what's that, a 22? And then if you're all over here in the bed, just get a little postage stamp of a TV. Best turn this off before I get striked on YouTube. Please leave recycling on the floor next to the bin. Nice. Some lights here. Do we do those? Yep. Good size vanity mirror. That's a plus. And then this is the special coffee machine, the Lavaz. Apparently that's a good thing. Looks pretty clean though. In fact, it looks so clean that it might never have been used. But yeah, very clean. Cups, teaspoons, milks. I'm assuming these are your, well, that would be the, is that the milk part? And that's the coffee part. Tetley's original. That's good. My son's favourite. Shame he's not staying. The teeniest, tiniest kettle you've ever seen in your life. 1 litre, is it? Clean though, very clean, good marks. Galaxy instant hot chocolate, not bad. But the best bit, Kit Kat original. They're nice, aren't they? Complimentary Kit Kats. Although, when I was a kid, which I thought was the original, wasn't the original 4 fingers and not 2 fingers. Everything's getting smaller apparently. Little lost bin. An office chair to put your makeup on or whatever you're doing in front of the mirror. And then the saddest little detention chair you've ever seen in the corner. Why would you have that there? I suppose you need something to fill up all the... Literally, I don't know if the camera does this justice. Let's sit in the little lost chair. The bed is here behind the little door that separates the bathroom, the wall. And then there's the non-wardrobe and the little desk. What is all of this space for? Seems so random. Like, here they could have a big side, big TV in front of your big bed for your super room, for your extra £5, but very weird. Electric heating, so good job it's pretty warm today because they're dreadful. Another mirror, good size mirror just before you go out, so you can check yourself before you go down Broad Street. You go into the bathroom with the, I mean, this door, interesting. Door handle, interesting. I'll be polite. Toilet seat is up, which is always a bad sign, but it is clean, that's good. Oh no, the toilet paper is on the wrong way round. The devil's way. We'll correct that for them. Not pointed either. But everything seems quite tidy. Sink tidy. Clean. A few little scuffs, but nothing major. Nice big mirror. Refreshing hand wash antibacterial. Shavers. Clean-ish shower curtain. Mostly clean. Teeny tiny bath. Some more revitalising hair and body wash. Caution, please take care when standing or walking on any wet surfaces, because we're all You don't get fancy shower heads, you just get the gymnasium local leisure centre shower head. But still clean, still nice. What's the floor like? Little bin, empty, nice. So it all looks pretty tidy. Walls are okay, tiling's okay. And to be fair, you can't really mess it up in here because there's nothing to mess up, I suppose. Should we have a look at the bed? Feels nice and comfy. Should we do a bed test? What's this one? Ugh. Please top me up. If you need us to refresh your towels, tea and coffee, empty your bins, place me outside before 11 AM. That's good. Should we do a bed drop? I'm 36. I haven't done a bed drop in a long time. Should we see how this goes? Bed drop! Bed feels good. I like the bed. Yeah, nice. Put the lights on. Should put this light on too. Oh, turn that one off. That one on, that one off. There we go. Lovely piece of art. If you like that sort of thing. Bed seems nice. Pillows seem firm. Yeah, not bad. So for the price, this is pretty... Oh, I found a little... Before we go into the price, open your bottles here. Excellent addition. So apart from the vast space in the middle that you can just have a dance in, this is pretty impressive, to be honest. $37.99 to stay in the heart of Birmingham on the main busy going out strip. $37.99. Every other hotel around here, the next cheapest is £80 the night, and they go all the way up to $150 or plus if you go a little bit further out of town. So price wise, bang on. The building looks awful, but inside it's very clean, very tidy. It's a little bit weird of a room, mainly because of all this free space. You get 2 free Kit Kats. It's not bad at all, really. And finally, I do actually have a view, which is nice. So we're on the 8th floor here, which is not as tall as other buildings. As you can see, the Leonardo Royal Hotels opposite, which is a bit taller, but there is enough space that you do get a pretty decent view, to be honest. So this is Broad Street. There's Flares. Well, Pop World now, but anyone else will know it as Flares who lives around here. And you can have a good look right into the distance over there. And then if we go this way, we've got the Cube. You can see the Radisson Blue in the background. And the other side of Birmingham. So again, for $37.99 for a night, in the centre of the second city in the UK, is not bad at all. Maybe don't look down here. This is Wetherspoon's Beer Garden. Maybe we ignore those sites. But the rest, if we look up, it's all very good. Not bad, Travelodge. Not bad at all. As always, thanks very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.